So I did finally build a website about myself. It's especially about my freelancing. And yeah, I want to make a short presentation about what I built, how I did build it, and what are the functions. So I think I can be taken seriously if I'm freelancing and don't have a own website. So currently I only had Upwork, and I used like my uh, Upwork name or whatever. It's Pascal H9 in Upwork. When you search for freelancers, Pascal H9. That's my credential. I use this as my domain. And the tools I worked with was Lovable, then Hostinger, where I host the website and have the domain, and I use Claude for the initial prompt to start the website, and I did some research on freelancer websites about the design. So I was I found one design I really liked, and then I adapted to my needs. So about the functionalities, there's like contact where I can send the emails. Then there is a let's chat, and here's actually a chatbot. Um, I, so I just ask how I can contact Pascal, and this goes to the backend. It's n8n workflow. I will show it later. It's pretty simple. So there's a AI agent which has access to Google Sheets, and in this Google Sheets are like information about me, about my work experience, about my recent projects on Upwork, and what languages I do speak. And from he accesses this information in the Google Sheets and then provides a response. So I ask for contact information. You can book directly a call on Calendly or on Upwork or LinkedIn. So then, for example, do you have any logistic experience? So originally, I made a higher education as a logistic expert, and I'm currently in Germany doing bachelor professional in logistic systems. So I have some uh, um, logistic experience as well. So yes, I worked as a delivery driver in Germany, and in Düsseldorf, I was handling manually um, the suitcases in the airport. This job, I liked it, and I worked in oil package shop, some package handling. This was extremely exhausting. It was a horrible job there. So then related, yeah, I made a website, a AI logistic planner, also with an AI. This can you see on my YouTube channel, where I just made a simple logistic planner. And I had a bigger project where I made an Excel shift planner, as you can see on my portfolio on Upwork. So this agent just provides information if you want to know, hey, is he able to do this? Do he know this? And this agent can answer like general questions. I will show it later how it's built. Then here I have like a section where I have my recent projects. I just choose 3 recent projects. The AI-powered invoice processing and organization is also just linked with YouTube, and claims and DMS optimization, and payment automation, which I did. Then here about general information, how and what else. And here also I linked it to the agent. Then here I have additional field. If you enter the email address here, it goes to a second workflow in n8n. and it will automatically generate an email response so to this email address entered. Then here I have a link for my Upwork profile, for my LinkedIn profile, and for my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is not only about freelancing, it's generally also about homesteading and stuff like this. It's a little bit also about myself, what I'm doing besides freelancing and automation. So I think I will at next give you a look at the back end of this automation. So this is the n8n workflow for my website with webhook. Like I said, as a chat agent, he has access to this Google Sheets, and he has like a simple memory to remember the last few conversations, so he can respond. Work with DeepSeek chat model is the cheapest model, so I want to keep the cost low. Um, so for this purpose, I use this model. Then this is the automatic email. It's the webhook triggers and sends automatically the email. I will later show you the email. I will first will explain you the chat agent. So the chat agent has like instruction what he has to do. He gets triggered by the webhook, then has a simple memory. Simple memory remembers the last 7 conversations and has then access to this Google Sheet. So in this Google Sheet, I have different sheets like work experience, Upwork portfolio projects, about how much they give me, when did I do them, then deep dive, technical skills, education and certification, and so on. So, um, I mean, could further update this or automate this. At the moment, I would need to go inside here in this Excel sheet and manually update all the information. Maybe in future, I also will automate this, but at the moment, I think it's sufficient. Um, so I wanted to show you quickly the the email which gets sent after triggering this workflow. So the webhook triggers sending the email. And this is the email which gets sent out, and it has also a link for the Calendly. So then you can just book an appointment for a free call, 30-minute free call. And yeah, this email goes directly outside. There's also my Upwork profile link. And yeah, it explains the process, how we go on further if somebody has a project to do. And then, yeah, how I created the website, I used the Lovable.dev, and I made a subscription for $25, and I canceled the subscription already. And this $25 were sufficient, more than sufficient to build this website. So I still have a lot of tokens until the end of, or until the beginning of next month. And I'm thinking about what I do with these tokens, maybe build another website as well. And the reason is why I moved this website after to hosting, because if you would would like to use your own domain, you would need to pay at least $15 per month to host it on Lovable, and this is way too expensive for me. So I actually pushed the project up to GitHub, and then from GitHub I downloaded it, created a zip file, and uploaded it to Hostinger, and then I'm now hosting it on Hostinger. So I quite have now everything on Hostinger. I have there my domain, my website, and also my n8n is hosted on Hostinger. So yeah, it was pretty straightforward. It was easy to build. And I think this is like the best option. You you take like a subscription for 25 US dollar, you build your website, you cancel your subscription, and you download your website and you're hosting it somewhere else. There are even I choose now hosting, but there are even places where you can host your website even for free, so it would be even cheaper. I just choose this now because it was not very expensive to host it on Hostinger, and for the reason that I have everything in one place. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and yeah, feel free to contact me if you have some automation project or some translation project. Maybe with the left token, I could generate a website in German because I my native language is German and I mainly provide support in German. So maybe I do a second website in German. Oh, I see. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.